So this is… people ask me, Sadhguru, what is your sadhana? You did not read scriptures, you did not go to a teacher, you did not learn anything, but you seem to know everything, how is it? I tell them, this is the only thing that I did in my life is, I made sure that I am not influenced by anybody around me, whether it's my parents or the culture around me or the teachers or every adult around, because every adult around you is trying to teach you something that's not worked in their life.
Oh my goodness.
When I say something that's not worked in their life, between you and your child, if you look at it, who is more joyful? Your child. I'm asking, who should be a consultant for life? One who knows how to be joyful for no reason, he should be a consultant, or one, even if everything is working your way, you carry a grave face and walk around the world, you should be a consultant for life, you must decide. So if a child comes into your life, it's not time to teach, it's time to learn. Once again, you could reinvent your life, you could learn what it means to be alive. Instead of learning what it means to be alive, people are carrying grave faces and going around. Grave will anyway come, you don't have to practice it on your face. I was speaking at the… about 4 weeks ago, I was speaking at the Stanford Medical University. I just looked around, there's many doctors who are sitting there, many of them. I said, see, when you walk into your patient's room, grave is one thing that you should not remind them of.
Might be getting there, so.
It's very important that the doctor walks in with a different sense of vitality and life about him. So similarly, a child has come into your life means it's time for to live it up, once again to become fully alive. Whatever your age, your aliveness need not come down, isn't it? Our physical agility may come down with age, but why should your aliveness come down? If aliveness is coming down, it means you're committing suicide in installments. That's what it means. Yes or no? Hello? I'm talking to you, hello.
Wow, that's powerful.
So children have come, time to understand how to make something out of nothing. That's what a child is. You leave him anywhere, he finds an ant, he finds it interesting enough to make a universe out of an ant. We've given you a bloody universe and you're making nothing out of it. Everything you have today, compared to any other generation on this planet, you know more comforts and conveniences than any other generation ever before, isn't it so?
Yeah.
But why? Why means because traffic, Sadhguru, traffic. Well, you're sitting in your dream car, aren't you?
Enjoy it.
Traffic is helping you to stay in your dream for some more time.